Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete chats and messages like direct messages on Reddit in 2025. So let us guide you through this. So head over to reddit.com, log into your account and click into that speech bubble here in the top right to open any chats you have had so far. So let me go with that example chat here. All you need to do guys is navigate to the given chat and first go through the chat history and delete each one of your messages. You will find that trash button here to the right. So if you click into it, you will be able to delete your messages. So do that with each message you have sent. And after that, your message will be successfully deleted. And last but not least, guys, what you want to do is make sure that the given chat is selected. Click into that gear icon here and select this option, hide chat, confirm. And that is going to hide the chat from your list of conversations here. So there's no direct way how you can delete these chats, but you can at least delete your own messages and you can also hide these chats from that list. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.